Now we turn our attention to the news on Pakistan's top talent leaving the country in record numbers. Economic hardship has pushed skilled workers to move overseas.
Hollowing out banks, hospitals and multinational companies. Take a look at this next report for more on this.
Over the past few years, Pakistan's inflation has outranked any other nation in Asia. Many Pakistani skilled workers are finding it difficult to pay their bills. They cannot afford basic necessities, including rent. Pakistan is experiencing its most turbulent era in decades. This is causing a severe brain drain. Banks, hospitals and MNCs are losing skilled workers and valuable resources as a result of the economic hardship. Even milk in Karachi costs more than in Paris. According to the latest data from the United Nations, Pakistan saw its biggest outflow in several years in 2023. The migration is especially noticeable among the educated and rich. Pakistan lost 1 million talented people in the last 3 years. According to official government figures, this includes physicians, engineers, accountants and managers among many others. Pakistan is now ranked among the top 10 nations in emigration. These numbers are devastating for Pakistan, a country that is counting on its brightest minds to save it from certain doom. The economy has taken a beating from political instability and poor management in the previous few years. Consumer prices have doubled. Plus, the IMF had to step in with a $7 billion rescue since there weren't enough dollar reserves to pay off loans or imports of basic goods like oil. Pakistanis leaving the nation in search of better employment opportunities is nothing new. However, business owners report that public trust in Pakistan and its government has never been worse. A recent study showed that over 40% of Pakistanis want to leave the country. Demand for US visas is at an all-time high. As emigration numbers surge, Pakistan tops the list of family visa applicants to the UK. Companies are now struggling to hold on to top talent in industries such as tech and finance. Waqar Islam, the chief executive of technology company JBS in Karachi, told Bloomberg there's more desperation today than at any point in the last 40 years. He added, there's a difference between people wanting to leave for better opportunity and people desperate to leave because there's nothing left. The banking industry in Pakistan has taken a severe blow. There have been high-profile resignations and permanent departures from every major broking firm. While Pakistan's stock market performance has been one of the best in the world for the last year, few bankers and traders are interested in staying in Pakistan. Business Bureau WION, World is One.